Hi guys, welcome to Advices Media, and here we have the Microsoft Surface tablet which comes with the Windows RT operating system pre-installed and is based on ARM. The tablet comes with 10.1 inches touchscreen and also has come with an touch cover which serves dual purpose, that is acting as a cover and also as a keyboard. Now let us just check out the sides of this tablet. The tablet on the left side has got a port for the Magsafe magnetic charger, and beside to that there is a USB 2.0 port which actually should have been 3.0 or 4.0, but Microsoft has given us 2.0. Along with that there is a mini HDMI port and a small speaker area. Next, on the right we have the speaker, a 3.5mm headset jack, the volume rockers, and also an area to pull the kickstand from the back side, which we would be showing you later on, also wherein you can also insert the micro SD card. The section on the bottom of the tablet and the top of the keyboard or the touch cover is magnetic so that they both attach easily when in place, and there is a center connector for the touch cover to function. There are also two knob like projections on the touch cover which you can see on the center of the touch cover keyboard, which are actually for the correct magnetic hold. Here's the touch cover, which is one of the best things which you would get when you buy the Microsoft Surface tablet, because it has a thickness which is not more than 1 to 2 mm and also has a multi-touch trackpad at the bottom, which means that you don't even have to use a mouse while using this touch cover based keyboard. If you're planning to buy a tablet, I would actually suggest you to go for this one. The Magsafe Charger is something new which you would see in the Microsoft Surface tablet, and this was similarly available on the Apple MacBook based laptops, which is actually magnetic and adjusts itself when it's placed nearby, and could help you out in many different functions and also ensure that it doesn't break easily. The Surface tablet comes with two different cameras, one on the front and one on the rear, with both of them supporting 720p called as the live cams, but there is no specific information on the sensors provided by Microsoft for the same. Here we have the kickstand of the Microsoft Surface tablet, and let me just show you a demo of the same. It is located on the back bottom and acts as a stand for your tablet. The material of this is actually same as what the tablet comes in, hence it's very strong. And there's no opening for the same on the left, but it's actually on the right. As you can see here, you need to just pull it out and you get the stand. There's only one angle available and you can just place it on the table on only one angle since it's the RT version, but in the Pro we have heard that we would get different other options for setting it onto the table or on the desk. You get a very different kind of sound when you try to close the kickstand, and also the micro SD card slot is also available on the back of the kickstand, which is normally not visible. This is the kind of sound which you get. Now let us just try to connect the soft touch cover, and you get a very different kind of sound again when you try to connect it and holds it properly. Let me just try to show you the same in the form of a demo wherein holding the whole tablet with the soft touch cover, and you can see that the magnet is strongly holding the tablet, which means that you cannot drop it easily, which is one of the best benefit I would say of using this soft touch cover, since it's based on the magnet connection. The Surface tablet comes with an Windows 8 RT operating system with live tiles and the Metro UI. There are a few applications which come pre-installed, like the ones you see now, which have come through the administrative options of course, and the ones which come pre-installed are these, that's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and also the Internet Explorer. So there are a total of 5 different applications you get pre-installed onto your tablet. And here we have the Internet Explorer, which also comes pre-installed. Apart from that, you can also use this as a desktop. Like you can see, you get the normal Windows 7 or Windows 8 based desktop screen here, and you can access your folders and your drives. Let us just check out how much space is available onto this tablet, which comes pre-installed with the Windows. So right now, as you can see, we have 16.9, that's around 17 GB of free space out of 25 GB of the total space available on the hard disk. While the tablet was actually 32 GB one, we actually received a total capacity of only 24.9, which is quite less, and out of that only 17 GB was in fact available, which means that when you're ordering a 32 gig tablet, you can actually expect it to offer you 16 GB of data or storage available to you. So that's one point you need to make a note of when you're buying a tablet based on the storage space. Now here you can find the features and the specifications of this tablet. This is the Windows RT. Along with that, it shows that the RAM is around 2 GB, and this comes with Tegra 3 quad-core CPU with 1.3 GHz and comes with 32 GB ARM-based processor. These are the different devices which come connected and also installed onto this device, and then you can also easily add different devices which are plug and play onto the tablet. The bottom panel on the desktop has shortcuts to the Microsoft Office based applications, and below the screen, the home key would actually open the Metro start screen and give you a shortcut to all the other applications. Now let us just try out how the multiple windows work at once in the background and how you can switch between each other. For example, when you have a couple applications running together and you just need to swipe the screen from the left to the right so that the other windows are pulled onto the front. This is a very good multitasking feature which would do it easier for anyone to switch between other applications. Like you can see the demo right now, I am on the home screen, that's the Metro UI, and I can just swipe from left towards the right to access all the applications running in the background. Now these are the live tiles and the system based applications seen on the start screen, and these are all usually available in the control panel. You can even choose to have these system apps or remove them from here, that's under the settings, which also has other application shortcuts. So let us just go to the settings area and check out the same. So here under settings you can find shortcuts to all the important options like the Wi-Fi connectivity, the volume, screen display settings, notifications, and the entire PC settings. There is also a power shortcut from here wherein you can make the PC to shut down, sleep, or restart, change the language options on the keyboard, and in fact do most of your important settings change from this area. Since I have enabled the administrative tools, these shortcuts are appearing. We can just disable the same, and then after swiping it from left towards the right once, all those would be gone. So as you can see, these options or the shortcuts have been gone from the Metro UI. When you swipe from the bottom to the top, you would get an option that is all apps, which would show you all the applications which are installed onto your device. The Surface tablet comes with a soft touch cover, and there is an option even for the touch keyboard on the screen to show you all the settings, and the keyboard pops up from the bottom. So let me just show you this. So this is the on-screen keyboard which comes on the tablet. You can also use the different options mentioned here, like you can minimize the same, you can shift this keyboard to your dual screen and do other actions. When you wish not to use the on-screen keyboard, you can use the soft touch cover, which you can buy as a combo and use it like a normal keyboard because the sensitivity is very good and the trackpad also works in a very good way. Right now, as you can see, we are searching for some content on the browser and using the trackpad which is available on the soft touch cover, and it's working perfect. We would actually give it like a rating of 9 out of 10 because it's just flawless. You can just tap onto the Windows logo and go to the home screen back. That's the Metro UI, and then try out different options using the trackpad. The right click option is also available on the same, which would show you all the similar applications or the shortcuts which are linked to the same application on which the cursor is currently on. In order to give you a demo of how the external accessories work, we are just showing you a quick demo of connecting a Microsoft based mouse, that's the Microsoft 1000 mouse, with this tablet, wherein you need to just pop in the connector into the USB 2.0 port, that's a USB 2.0 slot, and then within a few seconds you would find that the mouse would work perfectly, and even the scroll on the mouse would actually scroll the screen from the left towards the right and show you all the applications this way. And you don't have to install any drivers, you don't have to install any software for using this. So that was a quick demo of the external mouse. You can also connect external other devices like the keyboard or USB dongles for connecting to the internet. So overall we have covered most of the aspects of this Surface tablet, and in the next series of videos we'll be doing a bunch of benchmarking tests. We will be showing you demos of connecting this to the USB dongles and also give you a comparison with the Apple iPad and Microsoft Funbook and few other tablets, also giving you a quick overview on which tablet you should be actually buying. As of now we are quite impressed with the Surface tablet. Stay tuned.